Hey, what's going on, guys? My unboxing here, and welcome back to the YouTube video. So today I'm basically on Asimo's thingy inventory. Then I go to meshes, as you can see. But the one thing that's like I saw was this 1 billion. This looks like a $1 billion thingy. That means there's a car for 1 billion now. As you can see, 1B, fancy. And I was shocked. I was like, wait, what? There's gonna be 1 billion car comment? And then he's gonna put it. So, and you can also see the SUV spots, S main, S body, S underbody, S headlights, S extra, S windows, S. So, wheel, 1 billion. This one. This is also, I didn't check this one out though. Let's check this one out too. Oh yeah, I've seen this one. For some reason, it says it flip-flopped. Okay, go right here. It is laggy because I'm recording. That's why, and then, okay. So, that's how you make the binoculars also, and then this is insane. He's adding so many stuff in this one now. Monster truck, Mustang, monster body, dollar rims. Screw this. I'll buy this thing. Your channel is low effort and it honestly recording annoys me how much attention you get. You literally get fan art. Okay, so this is school bus. Basically, now go to Asimo's Twitter and check his thingies out. Actually, if I go to Asimo's, I can go to Bad CC also. Bad CC. Okay, close. This is insane. He's earning so many stuff at 1 billion play shop. Oh, Bad CC is offline. Bad CC farm, Bad CCC, Bad CCP. So, this guy has so much of Robux. Even I won't talk. Okay, so inventory. If I go to his online queen inventory, it just load. Go. And there it is. This guy has so much stuff. So I think he made the world bike. Okay, so he is the one who made both world bike. Bugatti, monster truck thingy, SWAT van. That is insane. And then this is how the new SUV looks like. McLaren, SWAT van, Porsche, pickup truck, Model 3, Mini Cooper, Lambo, Dune buggy. Okay, now everything is finished. I'll just go to the totals. He also made the helicopter, or he just traded it with Asimo and then Asimo built it. which is, okay, so let's go right here. Okay, so I'm right in the title of Asino, and this is the new recipe. Here's update item hashtag 2 for you guys as we approach 1 million visits. 1 billion visit jailbreak will finally get a proper recipe. More details soon. This call can be of 1 billion too. And the 1 million drum I was showing you guys, did a 1 billion. That means this car, is that a Mustang? Wait, is this a 1 billion car? Time to start showing some jailbreak update information. Let's start more. 2 new rims. The 1 billion is only available for the week after the update. What? That is so cool. Touching 100,000. Jailbreak is drop. Or to hit 1 billion visit next Friday night, March 2nd, 2018. This is a huge achievement, and we'll share information on that upcoming 1 billion update soon. And so this is the new recipe. Looks like rims and stuff. That's a new rim. There's not a rim like that. Okay, so we're just gonna play jailbreak and then bam, and then I'm in the game now. Just a magic. I'm a magician, guys. If you guys haven't noticed, there's like a food in here. That means they'll add food in jailbreak. It says, I suppose, omelette. And there's sauce. I don't know. Run. Did I load yet? I sure did. I lagged too much. I think I turned my graphics off. Settings. Graphics, manual, automatic, nope. The graphics off. Good. That is much not so laggy. But I'll have some loading issues now. But YOLO. There you go. And yeah, I already have this loading issues. Graphics has loading issues. In yesterday's video, I told you guys a new glitch, but the parachute glitch thingy, if you want to go around fast, just use that. Easy. Die. There you go. Oops. Do this. Look at this. Boy. I can go inside. I can go inside walls now. There you go. Gone taken. And then scroll down. There you go. Enter driver and then. Okay, I'm already lagging. Okay, let's go to somewhere. This guy's 350. He just started a jail. Okay, guys, I have to stop the recording, and I suppose like the video, subscribe, and bye.